Hi everyone, I'm Manoj Khandelwal and welcome to Uncodemy, India's #1 IT training company. This is the second part of the video titled as how do we index and slice lists in Python. In the first part, I had discussed about what is a list and how do we create a list. In this second part, I'll be discussing about what is indexing and slicing. So what is indexing? So indexing is a process of extracting or accessing single item or one item at a time. So because in Python lists are ordered, and when Python will create a list, Python will also create two indices. One is the positive indexing or one is the positive index, and the second one is negative indexing or negative index. So using that index, either positive or negative, we can extract item or items of a list. This is called as indexing. Now what is slicing? So slicing is a process of extracting or accessing a range of items. Means here I want to cut out or I want to extract or I want to access more than one item at a time. This is what is called as slicing in Python.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.